Hi guys, welcome everyone to this new video. This video is going to be very exciting because I am going to reveal a new UHRS website. That is true. I am going to reveal a new website where you can do UHRS tasks and earn money. So yeah, before starting and going through that, if you have not subscribed and subscribed to this channel, please give a subscribe. That motivates me a lot to make new videos for you. And yeah, before starting the video, let's find out the giveaway winners of the previous video, right? So here is the youtube link of the previous video. Let me start the process. So you can see the total number of comments was 94 in the previous video. Now let's go and start the winners, right? Let's see who is the first winner. So the first winner is Nitin Kumar. Congratulations. Let's pick the second winner. The second winner is Sagar Singla. Congratulations. The third winner is Pius Vavsar. Congratulations. The fourth winner here is Mary Grace Vicente. Okay, the last and the final winner of this video is Jyoti Seni. Congratulations, all of you. I'll just tell you guys. I'll pin your names in the comment section. Please reply below with your UPI ID or the Bitcoin address. I'll send you the amount as quickly as possible. Congratulations again everyone, and don't forget to comment below in this video as well, as this is the last video that is going to have the giveaway. So yeah, let's move on straight to the video. So guys, I'll be now telling you about the website. Please stay with me through the entire registration process because it is going to be very important. It is just like Clickworker. It is the registration process seems to be a little tricky over here, so I'll tell each and everything. So yeah, let's start with the website name, right? So the website I'm going to reveal to you is Quadrant Resource, and the website link I'll anyways put it in the description, and or you can go to crowd.quadrantresource.com, right? So now if you come here, you will see this page, right? You will see this page. This is an Indian company, right? Just like Datamime, this is an Indian company. You come here and click on sign up, right? After you sign up, put in your first name, last name, email, password, confirm password. These are very basic information. You guys can put it and then click on register. After this process, there is a very tricky process that everyone has to do to get the maximum number of e-tabs, right? So yeah, I'll tell you everyone. So yeah, I'll meet you in the next step, right? So guys, once you register, you will be sent a verification email to your email address. Please go to your email address and verify so that you will be able to log in, right? So I'll verify that and log in and tell you what is the next process. Guys, I like to highlight one point here. Mostly mails are coming, the verification mails are coming into the spam folder. So if you have not received it in your main folder, then please check your spam mail as well, right? Because I also received it in my spam email. Okay, so let me log in and move on to the next step and tell you what to do. So guys, I have logged into my Quadrant Resource account, as you can see here. So now we have to give an assessment, just like we did in Clickworker, and after that we have to make a live ID as per the Quadrant Resource documentation. As per, they will give us an ID, just like we were given an ID in Clickworker. They will give us an ID, and with that ID only we will have to create a email address, and then only we'll get the access to UHRS, right? So let me go through the entire process and tell you what all things are required. So guys, first you'll have to do some important steps. I'll tell you. First, you go to this NDA agreement, click on that, and you hit your first name, last name as you mentioned while registration, and click here to agree, right? Let me do that and meet you in the next step. Okay, so I have now accepted the NDA agreement, and now it is telling me to do the UHRS assessment. But you can see all sections marked with star need to be completed entirely before taking assessment. So everything needs to be filled up first. The profile has to be filled up before we can take the UHRS assessment. So yeah, let's go and complete the profile information first, then I'll bring you here and tell you what needs to be done, right? So we'll go to profile first. Okay, if you come to profile, you can see your name and all. The only important thing that needs to be edited over here is your country. Okay, is your address. Just click on edit over here, because by that only they will send you the payment, right? So just state, select your state, select your city, and select your country. After you select those, and also fill up all these details, all these date of birth, middle name, fill up as much as you can. But this address, state, city, and country, these are very important. Just don't forget to fill up them, right? And after you fill them up, I'll meet you in the next step, right? So guys, I have successfully updated my profile. I'll tell you one thing. You might face this problem while updating your profile. It might go into a loop of loading. So what you can do is you just close this tab and open Quadrant Resource website in a new tab, and again come and update your profile. And yes, don't add city, address, and phone number, because that is something that is taking a lot of time to update. So better only update country, state, and your date of birth, right? And only these things needs to be updated. Remember guys, only these things needs to be updated and nothing else. Okay, and after that you guys can go to the next step. So after you come here to the next step, you will see a thing like this. It will saying your income will be transferred to the bank account you list and file, right? And you will have to click on tick and click on agree. Right after you click on agree, you can see your profile is now 50% completed. Now the most important thing comes, that is languages. Okay, languages play a very important role in UHRS, as you might have already known. So here you have to select English, right? And you have to select as mother tongue. You know the reason if you have already done Clickworker, right? And other UHRS website. Click on save, and then sorry, click on edit, and then click on add. Then add Hindi or any of your local language. Also make this as mother tongue, right? Save it. If you want to add something, you can add them as well. Okay, and after that you can see I have already added the two languages now, right? And I have already signed the NDA agreement, right? So now I can directly go to assessment. If I go to assessment, you can see it is now giving me the option to start judging, right? If I'll click on start judging, it will give me around 15 questions, and those 15 questions are very easy, very easy, much easier, just like the Clickworker UHRS assessment, the initial assessment that we get. It is just like that. You'll get some grammar questions, you'll have to complete them, and after you complete them, you will be given access to the UHRS platform. But before that, there is another step to create your mail ID, that your live ID. So let me clear the assessment first, because I know this is against their terms to show you the answer. So I'll first complete the assessment and meet you in the next step, where we have to make a live ID. That is a very important step. So yeah guys, I'll meet you in the next step. So guys, I just completed the test, and the test was very easy. It took me less than 5 minutes to complete it, and there were 15 questions, and the passing percentage is 80%. So I'll just give a small tip guys. If you are confused with some questions, just reload the page. It will take you to the first question again. So suppose if you are at question 10 and you think that you have done some mistakes in the questions, in the previous questions, you can just refresh the page. It will take you to the first question again. So it will again give you another chance. So you can call it a hack or anything like that, right? So here you can see, after you complete the first process, you will be given a page like this, where you will be told to create a live ID, just like live or UHRS ID, just like we did in Clickworker. So what you need to do here, I'll tell you. The important thing over here is just read the first three steps. The second step is saying your assigned UHRS ID is this. So you have to create a UHRS ID based on what they have said. Okay, you don't have to create on your name. You only need to create the email ID that they have told. Okay, so just copy that thing, and in step 3 it is written that click here to create your create Outlook ID. Click on that. It will take you to the create an account page of Live or Microsoft ID. Then paste your recommended ID that they are telling there, and create a new account with it. Okay, after you create a new account with it, I am sure that you guys know how to create account. So yeah, there, after you create an account there, I'll meet you in the next step. Okay, which is another important process. So guys, after you created an account, I just created it. After you create an account, there will be some columns. So there will be two attributes, first name and last name. Just keep the first name and last name that you have used to register, right? Just keep that, and After that you have to write your live ID over here where it is writing verify live email address, right? So the email address that they have just the email address that you just created, just paste it over here. Okay, let me paste it and tell you. So guys, I just pasted it. After you paste it, just click over here send verification code. Okay, after you click on send verification code, you can see it is writing now verification code send to email address. Now open your email address, open your email Outlook that you just created, right? And you will receive one OTP over there. Just write the OTP over here and validate, right? Let me open my mail address and find out the OTP and click over here. Okay, I just verified my OTP, verified the email address with the OTP. So guys, just a thing, the OTP can take around 5 to 10 minutes to reach, so please don't click on resend verification code. Just click once and it will reach you, but it might take 5 to 10 minutes, so please wait for it. And after it comes, just process, just put the OTP over there. And now the most important thing is, I'll tell you about the payment section, right, as it is showing. So let's go to the payment page. And in the payment page, as you can see, it is showing us account holder name, phone number, account number, confirm account number, bank name, branch name, IFSC code, PAN card number, and UPI ID. So these things are mandatory for everyone to put. If you want to get payment, then you have to do this, guys, right? All these info are mandatory. UPI ID is not mandatory, but apart from that, everything else over here is mandatory. Okay, so please put in all your details over here and submit it, so that you will be getting money in your bank account. And also, as you might not be knowing, but they will be cutting some amount as per the income tax rules, as it is written over here. So any amount that you earn will be taxed, and they will cut the tax and pay you. So you don't need to pay the taxes on the amount you earn after they pay you, right? So yeah, that is the thing. And after that, please click on submit and you are good to go. And now to start the UHRS, you just have to go to dashboard. And in dashboard, you have to do just one thing, that is, you can in the dashboard, you can see click here for UHRS login page, right? You can see, if you click that, it will open the UHRS page and you can log in with your email address that you just created. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the website reveal. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting me all these days. And I will keep you posted with all the new content. And I wish to make as good content as possible. And guys, the giveaway is still on, so please comment on this video as well, as you can be the next winner. So yeah, I'll meet you in the next video with a new content and a different content. So yeah, thank you guys, bye bye, take care, and guys, happy earning.